Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this absolutely stunning 2017 Audi A4 2.0 Quattro S Tronic with the Prestige package. One beautiful performance luxury sedan. We even have the original build sheet for you. We can get you a copy of it when you come in, or I can email you a copy. I'll kind of briefly go over the bullet points. I don't want to spend too much long on this, but go over the important features. Originally this had an MSRP of $54,210. Really nice color combination in the Moonlight Blue Metallic. That was a $575 premium for that lovely shade of blue. Features this gorgeous nut brown interior, or I should say nugget brown interior. It features a Prestige package, which is a range topping trim level for the A4. Some of the big ticket items you get with that is this 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system. If you love music, you'll definitely appreciate the sound quality from that Bang & Olufsen sound system. It has the Audi Advanced Key, heated 8-way power front seats with memory, LED headlights, our Parking Plus system with top view camera, S-line exterior, heads-up display, full color, LED interior lighting plus package, Audi Virtual Cockpit, Audi navigation. It has a driver's assistance package that gives you Audi adaptive cruise control and Audi active lane assist, high beam assistant and traffic sign recognition, 19-inch wheel package giving you 19-inch Audi Sport V10 spoke wheels. It has a sport package, so you get front sport seats with 4-way power lumbar, black cloth headliner, sport suspension, cold weather package that gives you heated rear seats and heated steering wheel, and this beautiful high glass burl walnut inlays, Audi beam control, Audi cargo box, and Audi first aid kit. A lot of cool features on this A4, so if you're in the market for one, this has pretty low miles, 18,887 miles at the time of making this video. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This shows regular service history since new. Even the 30,000 mile service was recently done to it. And really beautiful interior. I love the high quality leather that they use, very supportive seats, beautiful wood trim. 7-speed S Tronic transmission is great for performance. You have that powerful 2-liter turbocharged engine. I think it makes right around 240, 250 horsepower. Plenty of get up and go. Audi has a beautiful, excuse me, just getting over a cold, just gotta clear my throat. Audi has a beautiful interior. The automotive press always gushes over the Audi's interior and exterior design, especially their interior. A lot of the automotive publications, not me, says Audi has probably some of the nicest interior designs on the market, and I think the A4 definitely qualifies. A nice big display screen for the navigation system. Nice clean crisp view on the parking camera, and you can get different views there. So there's no reason you should bang up those beautiful bumpers or curb those wheels in tight parking situations. Heated steering wheel, as I mentioned before. Nice contoured leather wrap steering wheel. Then you have Audi's Virtual Cockpit. Another thing, the automotive press is saying that this is probably one of the best gauge clusters in the business right now. Instead of a normal analog gauge cluster, it's just basically a big LCD screen, so you can kind of pick and choose what you want to show up on the screen, any important information, navigation, really cool stuff. You can make the gauge, you can make the speedometer and odometer a little bit smaller, so you can make you can make the whole navigation screen display right in the center cockpit, so you don't have to look around to see where you're going. And you also have a heads-up display as well. A little bit hard to see in the video, but it shows me how fast you're going, and it also tells you the current speed limit. And if you're a music lover, you'll definitely appreciate that Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's a one-owner clean Carfax from sunny California. We have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. Nice spacious interior, as we mentioned before, heated seats, rear climate control. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have a decent amount of legroom back here. Not too shabby as far as rear seat accommodations goes for a full-size adult. It is still considered a compact class vehicle. So it's actually kind of impressive how much interior space you have back there. Decent sized trunk, and I believe you can also fold down those rear seats if you need a little more cargo space. If you live in a different part of the country, we can help arrange shipping to just about anywhere in the US. Contact us for more details. We have a very big pre-owned business. We sell vehicles out of state on a monthly basis. We do it all the time. We can help get the vehicle shipped to you. We can even help you get the vehicle registered and licensed in your home state as well. Look at those gorgeous lights. Provides outstanding nighttime visibility. With the S-Line package, you have a little bit more of a performance look. On the A4, really is a handsome design. It kind of follows that same design theme we see in a lot of Audi products, which definitely is not a bad theme. Audi's kind of on their A game right now with their interior and exterior designs, and that fantastic 2-liter engine we see in a lot of Audi products. They use this engine in almost every Audi model, and it's also used in a lot of Volkswagen models. It's very well proven. Provides lots of power for its size, is smooth, and it's proven to be reliable and very fuel efficient. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.